Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Toyota Supra with paper. Begin by gathering paper, scissors, glue, a ruler, and good reference photos. I will walk you through choosing a scale and creating templates to keep proportions accurate. We will fold crisp edges, create a sturdy chassis, and layer body panels for depth. I will also share simple tips for painting and detailing so your paper Supra looks polished and authentic. Start by cutting panels carefully and scoring all fold lines for crisp edges. Use a ruler and light pressure when folding to avoid splitting the paper. Glue parts one at a time and allow sufficient drying to retain shape. Assemble the chassis first to provide a stable base before adding body panels. Take your time aligning tabs and seams so each section matches the reference photos and the model stays balanced and true. Focus on small details to bring the paper Supra to life, like headlights, mirrors, and vents. Use thin card for raised elements and fine tip markers or paints for panel lines and logos. Reinforce stress points, such as wheel wells and attachment tabs, to prevent tearing. Consider a matte varnish or light seal to protect paint and add realism. These finishing touches make your model feel crafted and worthy of display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.